ó jẹ́ káàrò nílò ohun tí ó wà lọ nígbà wáṣẹ̀ ẹni tó máa ń gbé ẹ máa bọ̀ ó ti kàn yín. ẹlẹ́nu wá ẹlẹ́nu wá ẹlẹ́nu wá mo sá.
Cultural treasures with the. Before I conclude, I would like to extend a special word of appreciation to our partner, the Grand Oak Limited, makers of Seaman's Aromatic Schnapps, for their unwavering support and commitment over the years. To the great members of the Ileo Local Foundation, I say thank you for the love and support. Without your love and dedication, we wouldn't be here today. To believers of the Sheshe and cultural enthusiasts who have come from far and wide to celebrate this great Orisha, the Orisha of wealth and economic growth, I say continue to believe in Olodumare and the promotion of our cultural heritage. Once again, thank you all for being here and for supporting the Olokun Festival 2024. Let us make this celebration a resounding success and a lasting testament to the power and beauty of our heritage. In conclusion, I extend my heartfelt gratitude to my family, friends, and every one of you for gracing this occasion with your presence. Let us embark on this journey of celebration, enlightenment, and unity as we honor our past and embrace our future with open arms. Thank you all, and let the Olokun Festival commence. Aji Olokun Agbewao. I remain your Royal Highness, Olori Yeye, Ambassador Dr. Omolara Fashola McGregor. A resounding round of applause for Yeye Olokun the world. Thank you very much, ma'am.
Thank you.
DJ, bring it on.
Hold it.
DJ, bring it on.
Olori, for celebrating your ancestors, something surprising is coming right now. Please, there's a presentation for you here.
Yes.
By Mr. Femi.
Mr. Femi
Please step
Azan.
to the stage. Please put your hands up for this
Make your way to the stage.
young amazing gentleman.
He has a special presentation
Olori,
for
I
you.
know this is a surprise. I know you don't expect it, but it's a surprise. I know it's a pleasant surprise. Can you see? Something surprising is about happening here. Oh yeah, please unveil this. Let us see what you're trying. Okay, you want to say something? Sir,
Okay, he's saying something already.
you can have the microphone if you want.
Let me give honor to the king. Tí adé pẹ́ lórí, tí bàtà pẹ́ lẹ́sẹ̀, Kábíyèsí. I give honor to you. And I give honor to my auntie, which is the queen. Yes, I was not being around for some time, but when I came back, I found out that I missed a lot of stuff. So I was just looking at it, what can I give to her when I found out that she was having an invest today. So I came because there's nothing you can give her. But I just look at it that there's something I used to see. There's something I used to see always on our wall. I just look at it and I call one of my friends that please help me out with this. So I came down here to present it to her and to the Kábíyèsí tí adé pẹ́ lórí tí bàtà pẹ́ lẹ́sẹ̀ Kábíyèsí.
Currently unveiling the wonderful presentation.
Please put your hands together. This is it. This is
Wow,
it. Please
wow.
give it up. Put your hands together. The most awesome audience I've ever seen. You know God.
I love.
Okay.
I love this.
Kábíyèsí is smiling.
Kábíyèsí
Kábíyèsí is smiling. Okay. Now, Uncle, you take this gift along with Olori to meet Kábíyèsí. We are taking to the palace of our Baba, Kábíyèsí.
This is an amazing image of Kábíyèsí Olórí. This is beautiful.
Kábíyèsí. I think you might remember that event, or you can remember the event. You still remember the event. Oh yeah, I said that man from Nigeria from Dubai.
Thank you very much. We honor you. We celebrate you. Mr. Silvemi Adnan, thank you so much for the
ayé ṣe máa gbọ́ ó ní tó bá dún kárakárakára ká máa sọ fún wọn nílé alówó tó bá dún kàràkàràkàrà á máa sọ fún wọn nílé onígbẹ̀gbẹ̀. èmi kí mo rárá mi ò Kábíyèsí méje lọ́wọ́ mi. èmi kí mo rárá mi ò ìbá mi lọ́wọ́ ìjà èrè bọ̀ wá. Orí ẹni ọ̀nà mi pọ̀pọ̀ àwọn ọlẹ̀ ẹlẹ̀. ẹjọ́ mami ọmọ lọ́fà mọ́jọ ọmọ abisu lórúkọ ìjàkadì kátàfìtì onítòrò ọ̀fà ọmọ péré láàrin kan gbọ́dọ̀ dìbò Òṣogbo òròkí ọmọ àsálà àrò olóńgbẹ lọ́ṣogbo fi ń wo ní. ọmọ yamaya.
Bros, be calming down.
Okay, yes.
Yes, earlier it was announced that if you want to purchase pigeons and honey for prayers, we have
For the king to the one.
A very learned king. I know the professor. A professor, can you imagine? Very well traveled, very well educated.